This is the iPad M1 11-inch and this is the MOFT Dynamic Folio. Together, they become one of the lightest floating creativity stations I've ever used. It's not just the case, it's really a game changer. With over 20 origami style ways to position it, the Dynamic Folio adapts to almost anything you need, all while weighing just 292 grams. MOFT sent it to me for free, so I could test it out, and here's my honest review. If you find this helpful, hit like and subscribe. It really helps. So let's jump right in. Alright, we have two packages here. The first one is the Dynamic Folio for the iPad Air 11, M3 or others, M series doesn't matter, with different folding options here. I will show you later. Alright, here you can see some specs and here you see the special features. But before we have a look at that, let's open it. And you see immediately this cool Dynamic Folio. Here you got the light blue cover. This looks very awesome. The quality is high. You can feel it immediately. It comes in some kind of artificial leather. Okay, let's open it and alright, this looks crazy. Have a look at that. So when you unfold it, something pops out here. This has a really nice touch. I love such gimmicks here built in. And when I take only this out, you can see immediately the features here. I will figure this out later. Alright, and here you have the instructions. I will get into that in detail, but before I will show you that, let's have a look at the additional package I got. So it's a quick release Apple Pencil holder. You pull it out on that side and you immediately see this cool gimmick here. So this is metal, as you can hear. So this attached via a magnet. So this is magnetic. Then the other side, as you can see, here is the part you have to attach it. So you take it simply here and it fits perfectly. But before I show you the folding techniques and how many different folding options you have, I will show you how to put the iPad in this cool innovative sleeve here. First, I will attach again the pencil holder here. And the next step is just take your iPad here and put it here into this Dynamic Folio, and it will attach also automatically via magnets. So you can close it and basically that's it. So it's already in the sleeve and you can carry it around, and you also have simply the Apple Pencil here attached and it will not fall out. So no worries that you will lose it. And then you simply open it so you can put out the Apple Pencil easily, and then you can put it back in and it automatically charges the pencil here. And that's it. Then we close it, and next step is I will show you the different ways you can fold this, and I think there are many options and this would be really cool. Alright, now that we know what's in the package, and after I've tested a lot of ways you can fold this innovative Dynamic Folio, I'm going to show you some of the possibilities right now. But before that, I just want to mention, if this light blue color here isn't your thing, check out MOFT's website. They offer other cool color options as well. Alright, but enough talk. Let's kick things off with number 1. The 60-degree floating theater mode. For that, you simply open the front flap of the Dynamic Folio, check where the two cycles/dots are, and then fold them together. When you see the mobile phone icon, you did it correctly. Now rotate it 90 degrees and you're good to go and watch your content. This mode is ideal for watching videos because it holds your iPad 7.62 centimeters or 3 inches above the table, giving you a comfortable viewing angle and bringing the screen closer to your face. Number 2 is the 30-degree floating creation mode. The cool thing here is you simply use the 60-degree option and flip it over in the other direction. The screen rotates and now it's closer to the table. 5.08 centimeters or 2 inches to be exact, which makes it perfect for drawing. Another big plus, if you're sitting in front of a screen, the iPad won't block your view. And because I also use the iPad for business, You can combine these first two variants to quickly rotate the screen and show something to the person in front of you, like a presentation, and then just switch it back to your own use. Awesome. For number 3, we close the dynamic folio and open it again. On the side, you will see 2 rounded lines that guide you to the next setup. Simply match the icons. They will snap into place and boom, you've created your dual screen drawing mode. As easy as that. You can now lay it down and use your iPhone alongside your iPad to draw with a reference image, or like I love to do it, browse the web or shop on Amazon with the iPad while watching content on the phone at the same time. And one small remark, because of the magnets, the phone is also then attached to the place where you see the phone icon. I've always wished there was a way to do both without having to hold one device or place them separately. So I'm super glad this feature is built into the Dynamic Folio as well. Number 4 is all about your neck. Why? Because they also thought about a better hands-free reading position with the 80-degree portrait reading mode. On the back there is a magnetic flap. Just flip it open with your fingers. Use the front cover to tuck it in and let the flap snap into place. Just like that. You've got a stand for a better upright reading experience. And because it's super stable, you can even use it to browse the web. Pretty cool, right? But that's not all. If 80 degrees isn't your thing, MOFT gives you more options. Number 5 reduces the angle to 70 degrees for a more relaxed reading posture. To do that, go to the original position, flip the front cover around, hold the left side together and fold the right side of the back a bit forward, and boom, you've got your next reading or browsing mode. Genius. Okay, so I've shown you a lot of setups for using the Dynamic Folio on the table. But what if you want to chill on the couch and use your iPad comfortably and securely? That's where number 6 comes in, the leg mount angle. Just switch to number 1, the 60-degree floating mode, and flip it the other way around. Now the empty space in the middle rests perfectly on your leg, so you can relax and use your iPad without it slipping away. Number 7 is basically the same use case. Another leg mount, but this time from number 3, the dual screen drawing mode. So you can pick the angle that works best for you. And you can also use both options when carrying your iPad around to show something, perfect if you're an architect on a construction site, for example. So as you can see, there are so many possibilities that I have to say I've never seen such an innovative and versatile iPad case. And now I get it why they don't even call it a case. It's really so much more. It's a dynamic folio. Now that you've seen some of my favorite setups, and trust me, there are plenty more options, as you can see on the instructions sheet, I am now really curious which one would you use the most. Let me know your favorite setup of this down in the comments. And one more thing, as you saw in the unboxing, MOFT also sent me this magnetic pencil holder here. But it wouldn't be MOFT if it only had one purpose. Since it's magnetic attached, you can simply detach it, and maybe you've already noticed it has a ruler here built in. That means you simply can detach it and use it in real life for measuring something or to use it as a real ruler. Alright, and when you're done, just snap it back and it clicks securely into place on the Dynamic Folio. My conclusion, I'm really impressed by the innovation and versatility MOFT put into this product. Honestly, I never seen or used anything comparable before. Sure, the first couple of times folding it can seem a bit confusing, but once you get the hang of it, it becomes second nature. All in all, I definitely use it and I really love it. That said, I want to point out 2 small things. First, even though the magnets are strong at the beginning, it feels a little like the iPad might fall out, but it never did. Not even once during my intensive testing here over the last few weeks. It stays in place where it is. Second, which might matter to some of you, the screen here and the back here are perfectly covered, but since it's made for multiple iPad models, the camera cutout here you can see it here, right here, is slightly bigger than needed for this specific model, which makes sense because MOFT can make a custom case for every single iPad version. Yeah? And what's maybe more important for some, the edges here aren't fully protected here at all. So yeah, it's a bit exposed. I mean, the ports, buttons, speakers, mics, they all need access points, and that's why most brands don't fully cover the edges either. Plus, the Dynamic Folio is slightly larger here than the iPad itself, so the edges are still somewhat shielded. Personally, I don't care because I take good care of my gear, and when I carry it in a backpack or bag, it's protected anyway. Personally, I care much more that it looks damn stylish, fits the iPad perfectly and isn't bulky at all. Funny enough, a few people already asked me about it, which never happened with other covers I've used. So I have to say, very well done, MOFT. I will keep it and it will be my daily companion. Maybe one last thing, the price. You can already pre-order it and they will ship it soon. So as you can see, MOFT sells them on their website, and this one, the 11-inch version, is 43.95 euros plus 8.95 euros for the pencil holder. And I would really recommend to order it as well because it's super handy. The other ones cost a bit more or less depending on the size. And here's a little bonus just for you. With my personal link in the description below, you will get 10% off when you use the code Christian10. Go ahead and make use of it. I'm happy to give something back. Alright, that said, we've reached the end of this cool product review. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button to share MOFT's Dynamic Folio here with the world. If you like my content, subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. And if you have any questions, you know the comment section is the place to communicate with me. And last but not least, here you can check out another cool video from me. Stay healthy, take care, and I will see you in the next one. And don't forget to use my code.